Hey guys, I'm Nick and I am super excited to let you guys know that I'm going to be launching my first ever series on YouTube. Basic Baking is going to focus on all of my basic recipes. So my basic cupcakes, cakes, macarons, and some other basic recipes in there, some new ones. Some of those were filmed about 6 years ago, so they're in desperate need of updating. Since then as well, you guys have had loads of questions, so this series is an opportunity for me to answer all of those questions. I'm also going to be doing some fun how-tos, some videos on why your macarons aren't coming out right, or how to get perfect cake edges on your frosting for your cakes. Lots and lots of cool stuff, including some baking hacks. My brand new series is going to be coming out every Monday and Wednesday. The first video comes out this Wednesday, May the 6th. I hope you guys will join me for that video. Make sure you share this series and like the videos, because that's the only way for YouTube to actually let everyone know that the videos are out. I've been working on this series for about 5 months and it's been a lot of work, so hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'm really excited for you guys to watch it. I will see you guys this Wednesday. Bye.